exploring, wade in, dive into understanding. Hello learners! Today, we're going to explore a phrase that might leave some of you scratching your heads. It's the term, wade in. Don't worry if you've never heard of it before or unsure about its usage. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly when and how to use it. The phrase, wade in, comes from the word wade, which means to walk through water or another liquid or soft substance where it's not completely submerged but your feet and legs get wet or covered. Imagine you're at the beach, and instead of diving deep into the water, you just walk in slowly, feeling the water level rise gradually up your legs. That's wading. So, when someone says they're going to wade in, they literally mean they are about to enter water or a similar substance slowly and cautiously. Now, as with many phrases in the English language, wade in can also be used in a figurative sense. When used this way, it means to start doing something or become involved in a situation, especially if it's complex or contentious. For example, if there's a heated discussion among a group of friends about a movie, and another friend decides to give their opinion, they might say, "Okay, let me wade in with my thoughts." Here, they're not stepping into water, they're stepping into a discussion. Let's look at some sentences to understand its application better. 1. After watching the children play for a while, Sarah decided to wade in and join the fun. 2. The political debate was intense, but the senator wasn't afraid to wade in with his views. 3. As the project got complicated, the team leader had to wade in to provide guidance. All right, learners, we've successfully waded through the meaning of wade in. Remember, it can be about literally walking through water or figuratively stepping into a situation. I hope this video shed some light on the phrase and made it easier for you to understand. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll be wading into all sorts of English conversations with confidence.